My correct betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. I welcome you to Favors Blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English. For today will be Friday, the 20th day of September 2024. Our topic for today now, romance not dey ungodly. The place where we go read today for Bible na Songs of Solomon chapter 2 from verse 1 go shook body enter 4. Make we read. Na me be the rose flower from Sharon, the lily flower for the valley. Just as flower dey among shukushuku, na so my darling be among young women. And just as rose dey among other trees for forest, na so my love be among the young men. I dey like sit down for where e dey, and the fruit dey sweet me to chop. E dey take me dey go the party, come show me as e love me reach. Our memory verse for today na from the same Songs of Solomon chapter 1 verse 2. You know how we dey do am? I go read, you go read, follow me. Oh yeah. Yes, make you kiss me well well, because to sleep with you better pass wine. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video. The fact say you be Christian don't mean say make you comot lovey for your marriage. Marriage na the only institution wey be say lovey and intimacy e dey allowed between man and woman. Some pastors dey carry their spouse dey comot because they feel say all those kind lovey things there na distractions from the focus on spiritual matter. Some of them no dey even dey play with their spouse anymore. Beloved, the anointing no dey reduce the need for lovey for inside marriage. Make we consider Isaac. Isaac na very anointed man of God and a successful businessman. Yet for inside Genesis chapter 26 verse 8, Bible talk say he and the wife that they do lovey. After Isaac don stay there tey, Abimelech wey be the Philistine people king come look for window, and he see say Isaac dey play with his wife Rebecca. No dey too rigid for your marriage. No dey go get fun elsewhere without your spouse. Make the times when you and your spouse dey spend together dey so much fun, so tey you go dey wait for your body go dey do jiggy so that una go see each other again. If you don marry, remember how una too dey talk for long hours before una marry and before children come. Make you revive that relationship again. Your spouse na the same person wey you dey very fond of, and the things wey you love for inside him or her still dey there. Don't let all the giddy of this life distract you from the precious stones wey dey inside your wife or your husband. Once in a while, you go compose poem for your spouse. You go call reader for all this kind of lovey settings. Spice things up with pleasant surprise every now and then. Write small letter, put am for inside a bag or for her bag, so that when they reach office and they open their bag, they go see your note, they'll call smile. May you get pet name una dey call each other behind closed doors. As me and my wife dey so up till today, e get one name wey my wife dey call me wey only me and her dey alone. And me sef, I get name when I dey call am. Every time when I call her by that name, body go just sweet her, she go just dey smile, dey look me with lovey eye. When we dey alone, we be lovers, so we not be daddy Gio and mommy Gio. So make you know say your marriage fit be like heaven on earth if you and your spouse make up una mind say una wan remain the love birds wey una be the first time wey una take marry. Make una no let the lovey for the marriage die. Our key point for today be say one of the ways to make sure say your marriage be like heaven on earth na to keep the lovey alive. Now here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget say our topic for today we say romance not dey ungodly. And this message we take out from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be book wey be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And na on top dis your ogbonge channel Favours blog na the message take reach you. Abeg make you no forget to like dis video, share dis video and subscribe to dis channel if you never subscribe. We wan thank all our subscribe. Una do well for our body. But abeg, if you dey watch us and you never subscribe, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The Redeemed Christian Church of God Youth and Young Adult Affairs dey invite all of us to the International Youth Convention 2024. The theme this year na Dominion, and the date na 30th September to 4th of October 2024. Pastor E.A. Adeboye and other anointed men of God don tanda gidigba for Redemption City of God for Ogun State to give us wetin God say make we come collect to take get dominion. Make you no forget to register, scan the code wey dey show for your screen, register so that you go fit attend. And don't forget say na free feeding and accommodation for 1 week for everybody wey go attend. And just in case you no fit attend, make you no forget say you go fit watch the convention live for Dove Television or Holy Ghost TV on top GoTV or any of your decoder, and even for any of your social media handles or channels. You go fit watch am on top your Favours blog. We go dey give una update from day to day on how the thing take shele for inside the Redemption City of God for Youth Convention. Until we meet again for our next video, make it better for you, my person.